Go ahead, Bianca. What happened to the dolly? Go get him. Good, Bianca. Come on, Toby. What do you say, huh? What do you say, Toby? Oh. Go ahead, Bianca. Come on, Toby. Oops. Go ahead, Bianca. Come on, Toby. Yoo-hoo, Toby. That's it. Bianca, go get him, Bianca. Go get the dolly. Go ahead. Bianca, go get the dolly. Sweetheart, go get the dolly. Oops. Ooh, she's getting the rope. Okay, good babe. Oh, that's Mr. Teddy, her boyfriend. I don't know if it's going to get X-rated. What do you say, Bianca? Go ahead.